Okay, welcome. Here we are with the Miss Bug and Hank puppies. Sorry it took so long. This is a girl here. This one is a girl. You're a girl. And what else do we have here? Careful. Oh, okay, these are going alone. Alright, let me just be that way, huh? Alright. And this one. Hello. How are you? Who are you? You're just, this one has eaten so much, this boy. You have eaten so much food. You are wider than you are long, huh? You're just fat as fat can be. And who is this precious girl? Are you a girl? Are you a little girl? You are a precious thing. Oh yes. Come here. Come here. Oh yes. Oh sweet. I don't want you licking the shoes. That's why I want to distract you. Some calisthenics. Calisthenics. Oh. See? Okay. Go somewhere else. Who are you, little man? Are you a little buddy? Are you a boy? Who's that? You see yourself? Oh yes, you can. Oh, is that you? Is that you? Oh my goodness. You might be offended. Are you offended? What you doing over there? Is it nice and cool? How's my girl? I don't know why I'm calling it. I actually don't know the sexes just yet offhand. We'll figure them out together here, so don't worry. Hello, hello. How are you? What are you? Oh, you're fatty too. That's a girl. That's a girl. Good girl. You are a boy. You're a little boy. You're very sweet. You're very sweet. This is a boy. Hey, boy. I will microchip them eventually. Probably sooner than later. Before you come for your choice. And I'll do at least 2 more videos. Girl. Little red girl. You're kind of a fun thing. Are you a girl? Are you a girl?